Before you step into a brand new week, let's pause for a second. Have you ever thought about how you want this week to unfold? Most people, they don't. They wake up Monday morning, dive into their routines, and just let the week happen to them. But here's the key difference. You don't have to let the week control you. Instead, you can control the week. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how different things feel when you're prepared? When you've actually set time aside to think things through. It's like flipping a switch. Suddenly, things just go smoother. That's what today's all about. Setting yourself up for success before the week even begins. Hey there, Arrow World Global family. Welcome to another episode of The Art of Self-Transformation. Today, we're diving into how to take control of your week, a vital step in creating the life you want. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to talk about is getting clear. Now, clarity is like your power source. If you go into the week with a bunch of vague goals, you're likely to get lost in the weeds. So, ask yourself, what are the most important things I need to get done this week? What tasks will move me closer to my goals? Here's a tip. Keep it simple. Just pick a handful of things that will make a real difference. This isn't about cramming your week with 50 tasks, but focusing on a few high-impact actions. Point 2. Apply the 80-20 rule. You might have heard of the 80-20 rule. It's simple. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. So, why not focus on the things that matter most? The reality is a lot of people are busy, but they're not productive. Being productive means working on those high-value activities that bring the biggest return. Next step, organization. Nothing feels worse than starting a week feeling overwhelmed. When tasks pile up and you lose track, it's easy to feel buried. But here's the good news. You don't need a fancy planner or a color-coded calendar to get organized. Just grab a piece of paper and write down what you need to get done. Now, prioritize. What's urgent? What's important? Most of us focus on urgent tasks that scream for attention, but often, the important stuff, the tasks that move you forward, get pushed aside. You've got to make time for these. Point 4. Schedule your time wisely. If you don't schedule your time, someone else will. Life will throw things at you, and before you know it, your day is gone. So, here's a quick exercise. Look at your week and block out time for those priority tasks. Treat them like appointments. Don't just schedule your work, schedule time for yourself. A wise person once said, "Show me your calendar, and I'll show you your priorities." If you want to know what really matters to you, look at how you're spending your time. Point 5. Build in margin. This one's a game changer. Leave some margin in your week. Things don't always go as planned, and if your schedule is packed tight from morning to night, one unexpected event can throw everything off balance. Leave some breathing room, some unaccounted for time. That way, you're ready for whatever curveballs come your way without feeling like the whole week's derailed. Point 6. Get your mindset right. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about mindset. How you approach the week mentally can make or break your experience. Go in with a negative mindset and you'll attract problems. Go in with a positive, solution-focused mindset and you'll find opportunities instead. One of the best ways to set a positive tone for your week is gratitude. Yes, gratitude. Start by listing a few things you're thankful for. Gratitude has this amazing way of putting things in perspective. Suddenly, you feel a bit lighter, more optimistic, and ready to tackle the week with a fresh perspective. Here's your quick roadmap for the week. Get clear on your priorities. Choose high-impact tasks. Focus on the 20% that counts. Avoid wasting time on things that won't matter in the long run. Get organized, make a simple list, prioritize, and break tasks down. Schedule your time. Block out time for work and for yourself. Leave some margin. Build in flexibility for the unexpected. Start with the right mindset. Practice gratitude and keep your outlook positive. If you take just a bit of time to prepare before the week begins, you'll feel more in control, more focused, and way more productive. Progress happens step by step, week by week. So, take that time now and watch how your life begins to change. Thanks for watching, and make it an amazing week. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a boost before Monday hits. Take care, and see you in the next video.